guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a long overdue video. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for the results of my Stage 2 turbo upgrade on my N54 powered BMW. So I'm still working out some small kinks, getting the occasional misfire. I'm actually going to insert an acceleration clip with one of those misfires occurring to give you an idea. It doesn't really affect the numbers actually, and I can get around by not having a misfire every run, and that's what we had on the dyno. I'm not sure what's up with that. I'm still working through, but I really don't think it's affecting the numbers. So you're gonna see footage of the car on the dyno. I went to Eurocharged Houston and we tested the car. I'll do a little walkthrough of the shop just so you can see what they work on and get an idea. The Helix overdrive kit on this car is made by Spool Performance, and Eurocharged Houston is also owned by the same owner of Spool. So they were gracious enough to have me come over and test the car. So let's go over to the shop now. Just to give you an idea of the kind of stuff they work on. And now we're ready to cut over to the dyno footage. And the car was a mess in this run. It was raining when I went there, so excuse the dirty car. I've since washed it. So as you saw, I'm working through the kinks. The car's plenty fast, obviously, with that type of wheel horsepower. According to Eurocharged, there's more on the table. That turbo is only making 24 PSI there at 55% wastegate duty cycle. If you wanted to aim for 28 PSI and push the limit, 600 wheel horsepower should not be a problem with that turbo. So you guys should really be happy for the amount of money they cost. Very impressive results. So there you have it. The car is a rocket ship right now, obviously, with that type of power. I'm going to be going to the track next, and we'll see what type of numbers we can run. Hopefully like a mid 11 or low 11 with like 126 to 129 mile per hour trap speed. Still working out the kinks with regards to why occasionally I'll get a misfire up at the top of 4th or 3rd. And when I get that issue resolved, I'll definitely chime in and let you guys know in another video. But for now, that's going to conclude this video showing you how much power you'll make with a set of Stage 2 Dynamic Autowerks turbos. For you guys that are holding off, considering what they cost and the fact that you can get over 500 wheel and easy 600 wheel if you want to push the limit, I'd say they're super impressive. They've been reliable, quiet, problem-free. They don't smoke, 0 issues, a couple thousand miles on them, and they make a ton of power. The car's a missile. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this is the first video you're catching of mine.